Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing my thoughts about the Huda Beauty Overachiever concealer right here. I was able to swatch this concealer for you guys before filming this, The first thing I noticed is the fact that the packaging is very similar to the packaging of the complexion primer, which is really nice. Concealer is 12 ml. It looks like so. It is amazing because it gives you the control of how much product you want to use. And if you mistakenly press more, you can just release your hands and the product gets back into the packaging, which is amazing because there will be less waste and the concealer is going to last for long. Another thing I noticed about this concealer is the fact that it blends really well on the skin. I won't say thick consistency, but it's, very full coverage, too matte or too glowy, but it gives a very nice finish to the skin. And I like the fact that the coverage is amazing. It's travel friendly, that's the point. It's travel friendly. So good. I am liking the finish, guys. Every other thing that I applied on the concealer, like the setting powder, the contour powder, the contour cream, everything just blend in with each other perfectly and seamlessly. That side to it, which you can use to sharpen your contoured area. And I also like the fact that it's big, so blending my foundation was more easier and faster because the beauty, it's really big. Like, it was not this big when I got it. It was not this big before, but I wet it with water and it became big. The only difference between this and the normal beauty blender is the fact that this is more bigger and it felt really sturdier. It's the side to apply my concealer because, it's the normal flat concealer side. This side looks very different. It has a kind of V shape to it. I actually forgot to use this one because I got carried away. But you can use this to apply your powder on that, to set your concealer with a setting powder like so. So it has that shape already, which would, be very handy if you're on the run. And it's very soft. I don't know if you guys can see the V shape from the camera, but the bristle is very soft. Which is totally similar to this one in terms of the bristle. The bristle is very soft and sturdy. So hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing the review of the Huda Beauty Overachiever concealer. This is what the packaging looks like. It's a beauty spot and 20 shades of concealer right there. So I'm going to share the contents with you guys right now. It comes with a leaflet that explains each shade. The Overachiever concealer with multitasking formula, packed with 31% pigment and luxurious 20 creamy shades. Start by priming my face with the Huda Beauty Complexion Perfection Primer right there. There is a beauty blender included in the packaging, so I'm going to be using the beauty blender in the packaging instead. So what it looks like, it has a kind of V shape in the front of it. I'm using that to prime my face. It feels quite soft and I'm quite surprised that when I applied water in it, it's expanded, it expanded like the original beauty blender. So if you like the original beauty blender, then you're gonna like this, but this is a bit more bigger and sturdier compared to that, in my opinion. So next I'm going to move on to my foundation. The foundation I'm going to be using today is also by Huda Beauty. This is up from Cut Beauty but I guess I had the wrong shade. I like the fact that it's full coverage and all, so I'm going to apply that on my face. Test that onto my skin with this sponge. The sponge is quite big and it's very sturdy. The packaging came with this brush right here. For the sake of the video, I'm just going to open it for you guys to see what the brush looks like. It has the brush guard in both sides, so this is what it looks like. This has a kind of shape for, you know, like applying your powder to it. I don't know if the camera is doing justice to that. Then it has a flat side right there for applying your concealer. So this is the packaging of the concealer. It's very similar to the primer's packaging. It's very similar to the packaging of the primers, which is quite cute. So I am going to apply that right there. Well, I'm going to take this side of the sponge, which is, you know, flatter side. I think that would be very you know, useful for blending this area. Concealer is truly creamy and it's very easy to blend. Coverage is amazing, guys. Look at that. I'm going to take the shade, it's called Chocolate Chip, right there. I'm going to use that to contour my face. It goes a long way. What have I done to my nose? Oh my days. I'm also going to blend that in with the sponge. I think I ought to actually use this brush, but I forgot about it. It's okay, I'm going to be using it in my next, you know, VG powder right here. I'm going to use that to set the areas that I contoured earlier. I'm going to apply that as my blush. Use that to set my face. The 3D bronze palette right here. I'm going to use that to highlight my face. Brush right here. I'm going to use that to blend in my highlighter and my contour, so there'll be no line of demarcation or anything. Using the Huda Demi Matte lipstick right here, and I'm going to be using the lip contour right here in the shade Gossip Girl.